Hello friends, welcome to the channel. I am Poonam Dua from MN Education Academy of Literature. Today we are going to discuss a practice question paper for JNU MA English Entrance Exam, and we will do it with explained solution thoroughly. JNU Jawaharlal Nehru University एक public central university है located in New Delhi, India, and it was established in 1969 and named after Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister. And the university is very well known for leading faculties and research emphasis on liberal arts and applied sciences. Aspirants can start practicing sample papers to strengthen their preparation. And let us begin with the first question. This video is made keeping in mind the syllabus of this university only. Grab a pen and paper, note down all the additional information too after listening to the question. Give your answer first and match it with the right answer. Let us begin. Here comes the first question. In which year was Globe Theatre built? The correct answer is 1599. In 1599, the Globe Theatre opened and it was a huge success, very great success. And the Globe Theatre was a theatre in London associated with William Shakespeare. ये question भी आ सकता है. It was built in 1599 by Shakespeare's playing company, जिसका नाम था Lord Chamberlain's Men. और unfortunately ये theatre destroy हो गया था 1613 में due to a fire. It was a fire that destroyed it in 1613, to be precise 29th June 1513. तो आप लोग dates अगर याद रखेंगे, that will be extremely beneficial for you. Next question. What is meant by denouement? Denouement का मतलब होता है ending of a comedy. So option number A becomes here the right answer. The comedy ends with a denouement, जिसको कि हम conclusion भी कहते हैं normal language में, in which the protagonist is better off than the story's outset or the story's beginning. Generally comedy में क्या होता है कि सारे characters जो हैं वो end up होते हैं happier mode में than they were at the beginning of the plot. Happy ever after. While in tragedies, the characters end up worse off than in the beginning, often with one or more deaths. So that is the basic difference between tragedy and comedy, and denouement is basically the end of a comedy. Next question. Next question हमारा पूछ रहा है dramatic unities के बारे में. How many dramatic unities were recommended by the Greeks? The correct answer is three dramatic unities. 3 unities के बारे में अगर आप थोड़ा सा डिटेल में जानना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज आई बटन पर क्लिक करिए. The 3 unities: unity of place, unity of time, unity of action. Next question. Who began the tradition of revenge play? The correct answer, option number D, Thomas Kyd. The revenge drama or revenge play derived originally from the Roman tragedies of Seneca, but was established on the English stage by Thomas Kyd with the Spanish tragedy, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा famous है, the Spanish tragedy by Thomas Kyd. Next question. Which work exposes the frivolity of fashionable London? The correct answer, option number D, Alexander Pope's The Rape of the Lock. The Rape of the Lock एक brilliant humorous satire है on the aristocratic society of that time of England, with its social scandals, follies, trivialities and vanities in general of fashionable men and women and society whole. The poet goes on to make fun of the vanities of women and men, and The Rape of the Lock is considered to be the mock heroic narrative poem written by Alexander Pope. इस पोएट्री के बारे में भी अगर आप और डिटेल में जानना चाहते हैं तो आई बटन पर क्लिक करिए, और 1712 में ये पब्लिश हुआ था. Next question. Which 2 writers can be described as writing historical novels? The correct answer is option number C, Sir Walter Scott and Maria Edgeworth. Sir Walter Scott जो कि एक स्कॉटिश हिस्टोरिकल नॉवेलिस्ट थे, उनके साथ ही मरिया एजवर्थ जो कि एक एंग्लो आयरिश राइटर थी, राइटर ऑफ अडल्ट्स एंड चिल्ड्रन लिटरेचर, एंड मरिया एजवर्थ इज ऑल्सो एन इम्पॉर्टेंट फिगर इन द हिस्टोरिकल राइटिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who was the leader of pre-Raphaelite group of artists in England? The correct answer is D.G. Rossetti. Option number A. The Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood or group was formed in 1848. 1848 में फॉर्म किया गया था by 3 Royal Academy students, जिसमें से थे D.G. Rossetti, who was a gifted poet as well as a painter, and William Holman Hunt and John Everett Millais. All were under 25 at that point of time. Pre-Raphaelite के बारे में भी अगर आप डिटेल में जानना चाहें तो आई बटन पर क्लिक करिए. You will get a detailed video about this concept. Next question. Queen Victoria became the Empress of India in which year? The correct answer is option number D, 1876. India was already under crown control after 1858, but this title was just a gesture to link the monarchy with the empire further and bind India more closely to Britain. Victoria was Queen of United Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland from 28 June 1837 until her death in 1901, and she adopted the additional official title of Empress of India on 1st May 1876 to be precise. तो 1876 1 में उनको ये टाइटल ऑफिशियली दे दिया गया था, एम्प्रेस ऑफ इंडिया. Next question. Which one is the unfinished novel of Charles Dickens? The correct answer is option number D, The Mystery of Edwin Drood, जो कि 1870 में पब्लिश हुआ था. चार्ल्स डिकिंस की डेथ हो गई थी 9 जून 1870 को, and the novel was left unfinished. Only 6 of the planned 12 installments having been published, and he left no detailed plan for the remaining installments or solution to the novel's mystery, and many later adaptations and continuations by other writers have tried to attempt to complete the story. Next question. In which language was Beowulf written? The correct answer is option number A, Old English. Beowulf is an Old English epic poem, and it is one of the most important works of Old English literature. Next question. Matthew Arnold's Thyrsis is an elegy written on death of which of the following person? The correct answer is option number D, Hugh Claw. Thyrsis एक पोइट्री है written by Matthew Arnold in December 1865. ईयर्स को अच्छे से याद रखिएगा. To dedicate to his friend, the poet author Hugh Claw, who had died in November 1861, जिनकी एज सिर्फ 42 थी जब उनकी डेथ हुई. तो इन्हीं को डेडिकेट करते हुए ये पोइट्री मैथ्यू ऑर्नल्ड ने लिखी है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who wrote I have measured out my life with coffee spoons? The correct answer is T.S. Eliot. और ये लाइन्स ली गई हैं The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock से, commonly known as Prufrock. This is the first professionally published poem by American-born British poet T.S. Eliot, and Eliot began writing Prufrock in 1910. 1910 में उन्होंने इसकी शुरुआत कर दी थी, but it was first published in 1915 only. And the Prufrock, the character, says in the poem's 7th stanza, I have measured out my life with coffee spoons, and what he means is that his life has always been carefully controlled and predictable. Next question. Diaspora means which of the following? The correct answer is option number D. The movement of people to a country away from their own. A diaspora is a scattered population basically whose origin lies in a separate geographical locale. So option number D is the right answer. Next question. In his novels, H.G. Wells portrays the character of which kind of people? The correct answer is option number A, लोअर मिडिल क्लास. H.G. वेल्स जो कि एक इंग्लिश राइटर थे, बहुत सारी जॉनरेज, बहुत सारी कैटेगरीज में उन्होंने लिखी हैं. डजन्स ऑफ नॉवेल्स, शॉर्ट स्टोरीज, वर्क्स ऑन सोशल कमेंट्री, हिस्ट्री, सटायर, बायोग्राफी, ऑटोबायोग्राफी. और उनका खुद का बैकग्राउंड लोअर मिडिल क्लास, वर्किंग क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करता था. एंड नॉवेल्स सच एज किप्स जो कि उनका बहुत ही एक फेमस नॉवल है, किप्स एंड द अदर नॉवल द हिस्ट्री ऑफ मिस्टर पॉली डिस्क्राइब लोअर मिडिल क्लास लाइफ. और उनके नॉवेल्स को देखकर कहीं ना कहीं एक ऐसा सजेशन, एक ऐसा इम्पैक्ट भी आता है रीडर्स को दैट ही वॉज अ ट्रू वर्दी सक्सेसर ऑफ चार्ल्स डिकेंस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Veena is a character in H.G. Wells' novel. The correct answer option number D, The Time Machine. Veena एक fictional character है इस novel का, and The Time Machine written by H.G. Wells in 1895. 1895 का है ये novel. It was based on the concept of time travel. Next one, a piece of cake question. The Jungle Book is a collection of dash stories. The correct answer is, of course, animal stories. The Jungle Book is a collection of stories by English author Rudyard Kipling, and most of the characters are animals. आप में से बहुत लोगों ने मूवी भी देखी होगी, कुछ कार्टून सीरीज भी देखी होगी इससे रिलेटेड, तो आप लोग बहुत इजीली आइडेंटिफाई कर पाएंगे इन कैरेक्टर्स के साथ, सच एज शेर खान इज टाइगर, बलू द बेयर, एंड दो अ प्रिंसिपल कैरेक्टर इज द बॉय और मैन कब Mowgli, who is raised in the jungle by wolves. It was published in 1894. Next question. The expression ancestral voices professing war occurs in which of the following? The correct answer, Kubla Khan. Kubla Khan, or A Vision in a Dream, a Fragment, is a poem written by S.T. Coleridge, completed in 1797 but could be published in 1816. Next question. Diction means which of the following? The correct answer is option number A, the choice and use of words. Diction refers to the style of writing or speaking that someone uses, brought about by their choice of words. So option number A becomes the right answer. Next question. Arthur Miller's The Death of a Salesman is chiefly about which of the following concept? The correct answer is option number A, American Dream. Death of a Salesman का central character and the salesman as well, Willy Loman. Willy believes wholeheartedly in the American dream, and the American dream is the force that Willy Loman does not have a grip of. अगर आप Death of Salesman के बारे में थोड़ा सा और डिटेल में जानना चाहते हैं तो आई बटन पर क्लिक करिए. This play is very important. So we have reached to the end of part 1. This practice will really help you to score better, and you may join our online classes also to cover the syllabus in a thorough manner. Contact details are given in description. Thanks for watching. Best of luck for your exam, and please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel.